my god.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
oh my.
That is.
Wait, is this actually Jennifer's?
It is certified. It's got a certificate on the back
God.
of it. That is actually her signature.
Oh my god.
See that little thing in the bottom right corner that
Yeah.
says Beckett? That's who certified it. That means it's really real.
And when you take the picture out, there's a certificate in the very back that it's been yeah, that word.
Certificate of authenticity.
Oh,
That is a real deal.
Oh
She
my
had that
God.
picture in her hand.
And she
It's
signed
Turn around,
it.
let's see it.
you're all probably like, that's the picture, but okay.
It's mail.
Now I get what you mean. I thought this was like impossible to get. Because I mean it is. It must have been like. I'm not gonna ask how much it is. Because I'm not Rob.
Kelsey, be careful.
What?
Be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Like I. Oh, you wanted me to have trouble opening this, did you? Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's actually Tiffany!
It's Tiffany!
Oh my god. Oh, okay. Kaylee, she's not harmless. I mean, she is. I mean,
Oh my god.
She is, but she isn't.
Oh wow.
she won't hurt me, don't worry.
You sure about that?
Look how cool
You
she
haven't
is.
did the hot day to Bella thing, have you?
Y'all got the same,
Oh, that reminds me.
same jacket on.
Yeah, and look at her necklace and everything. It's like to the T.
Wow. Paisley,
Show me.
Oh,
look at that.